Good morning everyone, Alessandro the Crypto here and welcome to another video about Bitcoin. And also we have many news around new coins that are upcoming, guys. We have different launches this month, so make sure to be subscribed on this channel, and thank you again for your great support, guys. Remember that we also are always doing nice giveaways. Probably as soon as we reach maybe 200 subscribers or 300 subscribers, we are going to do a $100 giveaway. So that's why make sure to be jumping on board into this channel, and of course check out all links in the video description. I believe that Bitcoin eventually could drop maybe for the last time below 100k once more before we head towards new all-time highs, but that's of course not guaranteed. We are going to have a look right now what is going on with the Bitcoin and why I believe a little pullback is possible, maybe even sub 100k, but at the end we should be gearing up towards new all-time highs because Bitcoin is looking so bullish here on the weekly time frame. And remember, guys, that this is of course no financial advice, just my own opinion, and I'm sharing everything with you. So first of all, we're gonna start with the most hyped new Solana meme coin, which is Solexi. This one here is coming up in less than 6 days, so around 5 days left until this one is launching. If you want to jump on board, guys, this is the last chance to get into this coin. The link is right here to Solexi if you want to be buying those coins before the launch, because I hope that of course also here we're gonna have the same nice pump like we always get, or most of the times get, with new coins that are freshly minted. Of course no guarantees, high risk, etc., but if you want to jump on board, feel free to join me. Solexi is linked here in the video description. And then we also have this block deck. This is a completely new Bitcoin mining system, and they have already the products out, so you can already use their Bitcoin miners here. Even the app on the mobile phone is working similar to the Network Pi, and we're gonna see if maybe this one is generate the same hype like Network Pi, where it skyrocketed immediately at the beginning. Of course no guarantee, no financial advice, etc., but this one here is launching this month as well, guys. In a few days this one is launching. They have already their miners out, but the coin itself is launching on 20 exchanges here on the 13th of June, which is in 2 days. So you have the last chance basically to invest into this coin if you want before the big launch on exchanges. The link to block deck is also here in the video description if you want to get to the official website. And then also we have crypto index, which is still running, and here the interesting thing is that you can buy 42% below the listing price. So the coin here, this is the current price per coin, it's 4.6 cents, and the listing price will be at 7.7 cents. So also here on this first decentralized Web3 index platform, you can invest right now before the launch and of course before it is coming out. Check it out, guys. The links are all in the video description. Also for crypto index, you can check it out over here. And now of course let's dive here straight into the Bitcoin chart, because here in the 4-hour time frame you can see that we are struggling to push above the top side of the candle channels. We have it currently as a resistance at around 110k, but the good thing about the 4-hour is that money flow is increasing. The problem is that we are a bit toppy, we are a bit overbought, so here of course a little pullback is possible down to around $107,000 to $108,000. But in general, the 4-hour time frame is looking healthy. We are of course in this uptrend here, and we should expect Bitcoin to go towards 120k, 150k, and so on. This is possible, but the problem is that of course here in the 4-hour we are a bit looking toppy, and if we are starting here to correct back down and test important support levels, that could be of course a bit dangerous, because here over on the daily time frame, as you can see, we have now some problems. And the thing is that we have now bearish divergence. We have lower highs in the RSI, but in the price action we have higher highs. So this high and this high is now a bearish divergence. And in the daily time frame, after this buy signal, you can see that we immediately pumped, but once here we're getting a sell signal, this could of course also lead into a corrective phase, maybe even down towards the 20 daily moving average here at 106k. And this support is going to be very crucial and important, guys, because if we would lose this support here in the 4-hour and also daily time frame, once this move is happening here, so once we're gonna correct down, important is that we're holding those support levels, because if not, then we can easily fall down towards the 200 daily moving average at around $95,000. So yes, again below the 100k area, but I just think that this is a bit unlikely because here we have so much support at the 20 daily moving average at 106k, and then of course also at the 50 daily moving average at 103k, where we also got a lot of support here with this kind of capitulation candle here, because afterwards immediately we recovered and we had this nice pump. So yes, short term it is possible we are coming back down, but this support here, let's say between 106 to 103k, must hold. Otherwise a free fall down towards 95k is very, very likely. And here on the weekly time frame, we still don't have any kind of sell signals, which is good, of course. So we have still a lot of room left to the upside. But also here we created once a bearish divergence in it, and it is already possible that this played out, because we had here a correction down to the 9 weekly moving average. We came back down here with those two candles, and immediately we got a lot of buying power. So this is in theory very, very powerful for Bitcoin. So that's why I remain still extremely bullish, but yes, we still can shake a little bit around here. We still can have some pullbacks down to 106, 103k maybe, but overall we should be then going to much higher levels. Of course, no guarantees, just my own opinion, and wherever Bitcoin is going, of course, the altcoins will also moving according to it. That's why also I have all my Ethereums ready, Tron, Solana, Ordinals, Pepe, Mudeng, Dogecoin, and so on. I have all my meme coins ready as well. And also the US dollar dominance, guys, is also in a free fall. So as long as here we are falling down, then of course we should expect the Bitcoin to rally hard, because also here on the weekly time frame you can see no signs of a buy signal. Here also we are still in a free fall below all the moving averages, and as long as here the US dollar dominance is coming down, we're gonna see a lot of buying pressure in the crypto market, and in general also based on the US dollar index, which also is in a free fall right now. As you can see, we crashed below the symmetrical triangle. We even came up to retest the resistance, and now we are falling down. So as long as this is the case, we should be extremely bullish for the crypto and stock market. And that's why, my opinion right now, no need to sell anything, just accumulate more and more. Of course, no financial advice, just my own opinion, guys. And that's why right now I'm buying also into those new coins. If you missed out, maybe if you're watching this video too late on Solexi or others, don't worry, Bitcoin Bull is coming out in 19 days. This one here, although you still have time to invest. And if you want to jump on board into this new meme coin, then of course I would buy without staking, because here we have already a launch date. And if you want to buy something that you can just buy and stake it and hodl it until launch and accumulate more and more coins, then we have Bitcoin Hyper with 700% staking rewards, and also Snorter, this new Solana trading bot, which also gives you a lot of API. Here currently the staking rewards are at around 470%. That means that if you're buying into those coins right now, until this one is coming out in a few weeks or months, this will take a very long time, and then of course you can accumulate more staking rewards thanks to the high API that they have right now. So if you want to invest with me, of course, high risk, guys, no financial advice, you can lose everything, but I bought into this one. If you want to follow me, then just connect the wallet here, and then you're ready to go. You can buy, for example, with Ethereum, and then stake it for 700% rewards. This is what I did. You can see that I have now almost accumulated the same amount that I purchased in just a few days. This is because if you're buying early enough, then of course you get a lot of staking rewards. The more people are buying in, the less staking rewards, and the more you have to buy basically yourself. That's why I like to buy into those coins very, very early, and then just keep them here and keep staking it and wait for the launch, and then of course act. And that's why also be subscribed, because I keep you updated whatever is going on. That's it for now, guys. Let me know, what do you think? Is Bitcoin gonna dip again below 100k or not? I don't think so. I think that maybe yes, a little pullback is incoming, but afterwards we should be gearing up to new all-time highs. Let me know that in the comment section, guys, and be subscribed. Future giveaways again we're gonna do, of course, and again congratulations to the first winner, and then of course we're gonna see us all in the next one. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.